Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually be talking about something that I've recently just started working on, and as you can see, my computer is right here, so I'm still working at it as we speak. So I'm thinking about uploading this either tonight or uploading this video tomorrow. So I'm about to go inside of my actual computer. So it's gonna be this computer that I'm gonna go inside of, and I'm using the GoPro for this, guys, so I can see my little lens, my little face right there at the top of the screen, which is really cool. So I've recently just purchased this GoPro so I can start making videos for you guys, showing you my face and showing you how I actually work. So now let's get on with the video on my computer. So before we get started with today's money making method, I just wanted to show you the daily comment winner. And I'm about to send you over some free cryptocurrency, and that is going to be this person right here. It says good method. Great, here is my BTC address. So now since I have your BTC address, I'm about to send you over some free cryptocurrency. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own faucet, and I'm also going to show you that you can start to make some money from me, guys. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to make some free cryptocurrency. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. I was going to show you how you can start a faucet literally from a script, but it's not working at the moment. So I went ahead and thought about making a faucet for you guys so you can start to make some money today. So the websites I'm going to show you in today's video, I'm going to try to keep them up as much as possible, and I'm also going to show you my strategy on how you can stay profitable in websites just like this. So make sure you keep watching this video, guys. It is super easy and it's almost free to start. So the first website we're going to be needing in this actual method is going to be Faucet Pay. You will need a little bit of money inside of here, and I have showed you previous methods on my YouTube channel on how you can get some free cryptocurrency. So make sure you go to my YouTube channel, make sure you check out some of my videos if you want to start this off 100% free and passive. So now, guys, let's get started with this method. So I went ahead and deposited a little bit of money inside of my Faucet Pay account, and I'm about to show you this right here. So this is my test account right here, guys. So you can see it says your BTC faucet, and I went and got some money from random Satoshi to fund this method. So this is almost 100% passive and 100% free on my end, and I'm going to show you something at the end of this video, guys, so keep watching. So now, since I want to make a faucet for you guys, I'm going to make at least 8 faucets from this point forward so you guys can have chance to win or to actually earn some free cryptocurrency for me. So the reason why I'm only making 8 faucets because Faucet Pay is only accepting 8 faucets or 8 currencies at the moment, but the next website I'm about to show you accepts way more than that. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now what we're going to be needing is right here, go to the dashboard, click on Faucet Owner Dashboard, and you can see these faucets right here. Most of these do not work anymore, so don't just go over there clicking on these or trying to copy this inside of your browser. It will not work for you guys. So now we're going to come right down here where it says faucet name and faucet domain. So you might be asking, Edward, well, how am I going to get a faucet domain if you said it's free? Well, watch this, guys. There's this website called Faucet Hero, and the link's going to be down in the description of this video, and this is where you can create a free faucet. Now I'm going to show you my faucets where you can start to make some money from this point forward, and I'm going to show you my strategy, and I'm going to try to help you guys out earning some free cryptocurrency. So it says right here, Doge Drip, your BTC faucet, and ETH Drip. These are my faucets right now that I recently just created just a little bit ago. It only took me around 5 minutes each to actually get this all said and done and ready for you guys to start making some free cryptocurrency. So now let's start to make this faucet, and now the first step is make an account with Faucet Hero. Again, the link's going to be down in the description of this video. We're going to come over here to manage faucets. Once you have signed in, you're going to create a new faucet right here. Now it's going to tell us that we need a name for this, guys. So now once we need a name, we're going to click on the name right here. So the name for this one, let's do a faucet that has to do with let's go back to the dashboard real quick so I can see what faucet I want to create. So let's do one with Tron. So let's make a faucet for TRX. So we're going to do TRX right here, and we can do TRX drip. So let's do that since it's a faucet, so it's dripping. So now it says asking us for a URL. So let's do the same thing, TRX. So TRX drip, and then now we just leave it that way. Now it's going to ask us for the currency. Since we're doing Tron, we have to look for Tron on this chart right here, and then it's going to ask us for a Faucet Pay API key. So you can either click on this button or just keep watching this video video so I can show you how this works. So now let's go back to Faucet Pay. Let's go over here. Let me do the backspace so I can get back to this page. We're gonna create our title name or a name for a faucet. So let's do TRX drip. Go. Now it's gonna ask us for a faucet domain. So let's do TRX drip right here, and we're gonna add in the rest of this little text right here. So it says trxdrip.faucethero.com. So just highlight that little .com part, or .faucethero.com. We're gonna come back to Faucet Pay. We're gonna type this in right here, and then we're gonna click on Add Faucet. So now the next step is coming over here to reveal the API key right here. So now once we reveal that API key, you're gonna put in that API key right there, guys. So now once you have done that, it's gonna ask you about the timer, and I want you guys to earn as much as possible, as quickly as possible. So the least amount of time is gonna be 4 minutes. So that's why you see my other faucets at 4 minutes. Now it says max claims per hour, or per day. So this one I'm just gonna leave blank because I want you guys to earn as much as possible. Now it says rewards, USD based rewards only. So now this one I am trying to help you guys out, but the thing is that I need to stay profitable on this as well. So what I'm going to be doing for you guys is I'm going to put in, just right now I'm going to start this off with 0.0015, and that is with my other faucets as well. So I'm just going to create it just like this for now, and as soon as I start to show you the rest of this method, as long as I am going to be in profit, I'll start messing with this right here so you guys can get more cryptocurrency from me. And once I find that one sweet spot, then that's where I'm going to leave the actual faucet itself so I can be in profit and you guys can earn as much as possible. And this is going to be with all of my faucets, all 8 faucets that I'm going to be creating for you guys. So keep on watching this video. So as you can see, now we have created the TRX drip token right there, or faucet. So now we just need to go inside of these settings and go through the other settings inside of this faucet. So now it's asking us for advertisement, so we can actually earn some money from this. So our advertisement is going to be running off of right here. It's going to be anonymous ads, and I'll leave the link to anonymous ads down in the description of this video. So now we're going to add in the ads right here. So let me go inside of my account right here on anonymous ads, and then the way we do this is once you click on my link, you sign up. We're going to go over here to where it says earn, and I recently just created this, guys. So that's why you see no money inside of my account. So now we're going to click on sites. We're going to click on 720 by 90 because that's what it asks us right here. Recommended size 728 by 90 banners. So that's where we're gonna add the text in right there. So click on the page URL link. So in order to get that, come back to this site, click right here where it says view faucet, open link in a new tab. We're going to come over here, copy this URL link. We're going to go back to anonymous ads. We're going to actually highlight this and paste it in there. So now we have the page URL right there, guys. I'm going to do disallow shady hypes, and I'm going to leave this one disallowed, which is nudity and all that, because if we come back over here, you can see it says rules: no pop-ups, no porn, no auto minors, no auto redirects, no chats, no excessive ads, no ad walls. So any of these, breaking any of these actual rules, you're gonna lose your actual faucet, and you might even lose your account, and even you might lose your money. So just follow these rules and don't break them, guys. So now let's go over here, let's click on this really quick. So we're gonna go to I am not a robot. So once you have filled out the I am not a robot captcha, click on create ad units, highlight this text right here, click on copy, come back over here to the actual settings, and then put that in right there, and do the rest of these advertisements for the rest of these boxes as they follow, as the recommended banner ad. So this one is 160 by 600. So let's do that one really quick as well. So go to ad units. Before we start the next ad, you're gonna want to come over here where it says finances and go to withdraw options, click onto my Faucet Pay IO. It's going to ask you for your address, your Bitcoin address, so just put that in right there, guys. So now let's go back to Faucet Pay. Let's go back to our dashboard, and then once you go to your dashboard, go to deposits. Once you click on deposits, highlight this text right here where it's going to be your Bitcoin address. Come back to the anonymous ads website. Type that in right there, guys. Put in your password, and then it's going to ask you go to your email address and confirm this. So once you have done that and you confirmed it, guys, the next step is doing the next ad. So this one's going to be 160 by 600. So let's look for that really quick. So 160 by 600, there it is right there. Follow the same exact steps. Come back over here, copy this address, this URL link, paste it in right there. come down here, disable this one, click I am not a robot, finish the captchas, and do this for the other 5. Now the next step is coming over here to where it says short links, and now this is going to give you another option to make even more money from this faucet, guys. Now these, I have not tested out any of these right now, so the only one I'm testing out is right now is this FCLC, and I'm going to see if you can actually withdraw some money as soon as I reach the threshold. Now in order to actually get this, you're going to need the API key inside of here, guys. So once you sign up for any of these, you're just going to get an API key. Once you get the API key, just put it in there. And now if you come over here, it says priority. So if you read the instructions, you can see right here. So otherwise, put them in order from 1, 2, 3. So it says API key and views are required fields, and short links is if enabled. Leave priority blanks to show the random short link. Otherwise, put them in order from 1, 2, 3. So that's this section right here is priority, and this is the views. So right now I'm just testing out all of these as we speak, guys. So you just put in the number of views you want per 24 hours, and then you put in if you want to have like 3 accounts open at the same time, and then choose one. So let's say I want this one to be my priority one, so I'll do number 1 here, and let's say I want shrink.pe to be my second one, so I'll put number 2. So it's first going to send people here, and as soon as I reach this number, which is 5, it's going to send them over to this link, which is going to be my second one. And let's say we have the number 10 in here, so it's going to show them 10 times this actual link from inside of here through our API token or API key. And then well, let's say we have another one that is 3, and then it's going to be the same thing. So let's do this one as 15. So it's just going to keep going through the cycle every 24 hours, and then we're just going to keep getting some more money from this, guys. So I'm just testing this out on only one at the moment, because I don't want you guys to get shown a lot of ads. So once we actually have that, just enable them, the ones that you want to use, and come all the way down here to the bottom and click on update. So then the next step is coming over here to where it says view faucet. Now you can view your faucet, but as you see right here, it says the faucet is disabled. Please try again later. So now in order to actually activate the faucet, you need to fund this. Now in order to put some money inside of this faucet, let's go right back over here to Faucet Pay. Let's come over here to our actual faucet owner dashboard. And then once you go inside your owner dashboard, go into the faucet name. So ours is TRX drip. Now let's click on Funds Manager. Now within Funds Manager, we're going to want some Tron inside of our faucet wallet. As you can see, it's all empty at the moment. So let's move funds over to the faucet wallet. Let's click on all. Let's click on transfer funds. Once you click on transfer funds, we can come back to the actual Faucet Hero. Now let's go back over here to where your account is. Click on manage faucets. Now click on disabled. Now once you click on disabled, it's going to turn it into active. Once it turns into active, now we can click on it and it should work, guys. Now if you want to test this out, once it's finished, just click on this and fill it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.